With that in mind, Zach decided to bring out his snow machine and make some snow himself to combat nature's lack of snow.
Well, with the lack of snow this year, I decided to take matters into my own hands and creating some man-made snow out here. Planning to reduce about 2 inches of snow by the end of the night. So, it's a hard life for snow lovers in this kind of a winter. We're about 20 minutes in here and the flakes are falling as we have man-made snow being made. So far, we have a good coating here. Look at that, it's starting to really pile up down here. We'll have several more inches before this is done. I've been making snow now for a little over an hour, and we've got a decent amount. Really good over here. Look at that, look how thick it is over here. Nice and thick snow accumulations. Ah, it's beautiful. So this is actually will be the biggest snowfall of the season so far. Continue to walk towards our snow pile. We got some good amount out here. You can see there's about 3 inches of snow out here. I'll enjoy it tomorrow morning. Have a little snowball fight. You know, that's all you can do in this time of winter when there's not much snow going on. Just took a look at the weather models. Rain Monday night and Tuesday, so it's going to heat up, get in the 50s, and more rain is coming. Very depressing. Not much going good in a La Nina winter.
The next afternoon, Zach sat down to look at the weather models, which showed wintry mix changing to rain Monday night, more rain on Tuesday, with temperatures in the 50s. Another cool down looks to come as we head later into the week. However, after that's passed, the big warm up comes in. I just looked at the 12Z GFS. The rain's coming. Might start off as a wintry mix Monday night, but a quarter to a half inch of rain probably later Monday night into Tuesday. A little bit of a cold shot after that, and then it gets really warm, possibly into the 60s as we head into next week. Well, the rain could begin as a little bit of a snow, sleet, freeze, rain mix before it turns over to our rain. Should be interesting to make for a drive to hockey practice. We got some sleet rain mix going on right now. You can hear the sleet pellets starting to bounce off the car. Definitely had a little sleet and freeze rain here. Slick. Now it looks right, we're over to plain rain. 36 degrees.
Another wet afternoon in Dundalk. It's winter. Why is it raining? We need snow in the area. There's puddles here. The grass is still somewhat green. No signs of snow killing the grass. Dundalk, Maryland, snow is nowhere in sight. The late week threat on the latest models isn't looking too good. Hopefully we can hang on by a string. We'll see, I guess. For now, looks like no snow.
Tuesday afternoon. Rain continues on this dreary, cold day, 42 degrees. The rain. A bit wet here in Shippensburg. Rain will continue through most of the day. Should be over by this evening. So, rain just continues and hoping for snow soon. Andrew Fleck of Geoenvironmental Atmosphere had this to share with us while updating his webpage and looking at the snowfall in the Pacific Northwest.
Okay, well, definitely in the East Coast, it's still a little calm. We did have some mix of sleet, snow, and rain, but out in the West, we have much more of an active period of time. Pacific northwest weather is heating up, or should I say cooling down. Some snow, 18 plus inches coming in around Oregon, Washington, and even inland. We definitely have a picture here from Bothwell, Washington. Already 6 inches of snow, and more is coming. Okay? And then on the weekend, there's potential for accumulating snow, and this time a little more than an inch. It's possible, so we'll have to keep our eyes on it for you.
It's cloudy out still, rain off and on. Just taking a look at the weather models here this afternoon. We're getting a little bit of hope. We're getting possibly a little bit of snow Thursday night with this little clipper system. Something to watch. Even if we only get an inch, it'll be one of the biggest storms we had this season. Then there's also a possibility of a wintry mix or some snow this weekend, so we'll be watching that very closely. So, as I said, a little bit of hope here in a snowless winter.
Looking at the GFS, I mean, last run wasn't too good, but the trend's colder. I mean, it's getting better, and it shows 850 line south of Baltimore here. Northern Anne Arundel County around Annapolis. Something to look at. Southern PA is getting solid precip. 850s are below zero here at I-57. If we forward 2 frames, you get the surface temps are below zero too. I mean, right in our area over here, it doesn't look too bad in the Baltimore, Washington corridor. A chance of at least some icing event. Hour 60. 850s look pretty decent, just south of Baltimore. Solid precip fall, and Hagerstown's really getting it then. Same as Shippensburg, where Zach Briscoe is. Solid snowfall going on at that point. They could get around 4 or 6 inches. This run, in fact, gives them around 6 inches. Take a look at the actual surface temps in Celsius here. There's not much to say other than, it's trending colder, way colder than the last run. Definitely something to look forward to, though. And we're talking about 27, 26 degrees up toward Shippensburg, parallel in Pittsburgh. I mean, -5 on the surface here in Celsius. It's about 27 degrees. It's definitely colder than the last run, so it's definitely something to keep track of. We'll have to keep you updated, that's for sure. This weekend could be exciting.
Alright, we could have our first potential significant snowfall coming up besides the October storm. Getting excited. Got my snow pajamas on, my snow bracelet. Looking like possibly 3 or more inches of snow coming for Saturday. So this is really exciting. Model trends are going in the favors. 850 temperatures, 2-meter temperatures stay below freezing for the whole run with about 0.3 inches of QPF. That will equate to 3, maybe 4 or 5 inches of snow. So it's looking good, and hopefully we see some snow.
Will Ryan and Zach finally get their wish? We'll find out next time on Weather All Access.
Fluffy and snow and Farallings. Oh my God. That, folks, was unbelievable.